The great alcoholic W.C. Fields once said, "I never work with children or animals." Well, if he'd been here tonight, I think he would change his mind after meeting this young man, the Man Show Boy.
How are you, Aaron?
Good.
Yeah, good. What's the best way to pick up girls? Why, with a cute puppy, of course. Take a look.
What's her name?
Gizmo.
Gizmo. You look like a little Gizmo from the movie.
My dog chases sticks. I chase chicks.
Really?
Yep.
Good move. Ah.
One of us is about to hump your leg. Couple months.
Oh. It's a puppy. Very cute.
His name's Boner because he gets excited a lot. We're going home to take a nap. You want to join us? Not you, weirdo. I just use him to pick up girls anyways.
Oh, okay, that's smart, dude. I had a puppy. It was the best thing to do.
Unfortunately, I've been attracting gay guys all day, though.
Okay.
He only licks people he likes, so do I.
Oh, that's lovely.
I think he likes you, especially your boob area. Let's not make this about the dog. What do you say me and you go out?